Yogurt so good, your gut will throw a party. The ultimate probiotic powerhouse. Tired of spending a fortune on store-bought probiotics that barely work? Say hello to the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker, the game-changer your gut has been waiting for. With adjustable time and temperature control, you can cultivate trillions of live probiotics, the kind that support better digestion, reduced bloating, improved energy, and even glowing skin. Unlike those sad, over-processed supermarket yogurts, this machine lets you take control of your health, one creamy, probiotic-packed spoonful at a time. No weird additives, no hidden sugars, just pure, gut-loving goodness. Bonus? It pays for itself in no time. Save hundreds and never buy probiotics again. Why keep throwing money at expensive probiotic supplements when you can brew your own supercharged yogurt at home? With just the right starter, you can culture strains like Reuteri, Gaseri, Bifidobacterium, and more, right in your kitchen. And since you can use each batch as a starter for the next, this probiotic powerhouse keeps on giving. That means more good bacteria, more savings, and fewer supplement bottles cluttering your cabinet. It's not just yogurt, it's an investment in your health and your wallet. Precision temp control equal probiotics that actually survive. Most yogurt makers run too hot, frying your delicate probiotics before they even make it to your spoon. Not this one. With adjustable temperatures from 68 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit and a 48-hour timer, your cultures get the perfect environment to thrive. That means more active, effective probiotics and a yogurt that's way more powerful than anything you'd find at the store. Whether you're making regular, Greek, or dairy-free yogurt, you'll get perfect consistency every time. Because if you're gonna do yogurt, do it right. Your yogurt, your rules, dairy, non-dairy, Greek, and beyond. Whether you're into creamy dairy yogurt, luscious coconut milk blends, or tangy cashew-based creations, this machine does it all. Customize your texture, flavor, and sweetness, then strain it for thick, dreamy Greek yogurt. Want kefir or sour cream? Go for it. With the included step-by-step recipe guide, even first-time yogurt makers will feel like kitchen wizards. No preservatives, no weird thickeners, just pure, homemade goodness, exactly the way you like it. Because food should work for you, not the other way around. Lifetime warranty equals zero risk, all reward. Built to last with premium materials and an easy-to-clean, dishwasher-safe design, this isn't just another flimsy gadget, it's a kitchen staple. And with a lifetime warranty, you know you're getting a product that's made to perform. Featured on ABC, NBC, CBS and Fox, this yogurt maker has been tested, loved, and trusted. So why settle for weak, overpriced store-bought yogurt when you can make the freshest, healthiest, and most powerful probiotic yogurt at home? Click Add to Cart now and take control of your gut health today.